Good afternoon. My name is Larry Paz. I will be teaching the paella cooking class at the Chesapeake Forum. This is probably the third or fourth time that I've done it. Let me take these glasses off. We are going to have a lot of fun doing this. Um, we are going to learn a little history of paella, where it came from, how it was made, and you're going to get a menu on how to make the paella. You will also get a list of ingredients. You will at the end we will actually eat the paella. We'll have it for lunch, and just come and enjoy the class. It's going to be a phenomenal class. We always have fun. Just come one, come all, and let's enjoy paella. Thank you.